Hey guys, so sitting here in my E300 with the diesel, and I guess we're gonna get to see if the liquid moly and changing around everything, it's finally got all the power back. So I let it heat up a little bit, but it's not fully warmed up, so we're just gonna kind of drive, but we should know pretty quickly. For starters, I have no lights. That's just traction control being off, so that's good. Oh yeah, it's got the power back, guys. Oh yeah, it's got the power back, that's for sure. So I guess that worked, and it's running awesome now that I've done all that liquid moly through it. The thing seems smoother, power's abundant. It's pretty kick-ass. So once I get by these people who are gonna see me floor it, I will romp on it. It's pretty quick. It feels really fast. There's enough torque there, and it's really smooth. And it definitely has the higher end that you don't get with most diesel engines, so I'm pretty happy with it. When I get to the point in this drive where I get to do like an actual pull, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so once this light goes green, I should be able to get a pretty good pull from this spot. That's probably 2/3 throttle. Not bad though. Definitely not bad. So I'm glad that everything's good to go again on the E300. Be nice to put some miles on it, although it doesn't have air conditioning, so it's not really that great for a long trip, but whatever. Alright, here's a spot where I can do another good pull for you guys. So that's pretty much going to be it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We're about to see some good stuff happen with the AW11, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, enjoy the awesome weather.